Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and well. Today I am here with a new recipe, fruit chaat, creamy fruit chaat. As all you know about that fruits is good for health. It gives us benefits, especially for those people who have problems like fats. So it's good for them. So try to eat natural fruits and avoid from junk foods. So if you have a wish that you look younger, so take fruits on a daily basis. Some people they don't take fruits in simple shape, so make fruit chaat juices for yourself, but take it on a daily basis. So especially those people who are on a diet, if they take it fruits, they won't feel lack of deficiency in their body, because all fruits have a source of vitamins and complete your energy. So let's start journey of healthy diets. Avoid all those things which is not good for yourself. या लाजमी इस चीज़ को छोड़िए जो आपकी सेहत के लिए अच्छी नहीं है, क्योंकि समटाइम्स फिर क्या होता है, जब आप जंक फूड्स लेते हो, जब आप ऑयली चीज़ें खाते हो, तो फैट्स आ जाता है बॉडी पे और इट्स डिफ़िकल्ट टू फाइंड अ गुड हेल्थ. So do promise with me that you will start to love yourself and you will avoid all these things which is not good for your health. All these people who are new on my channel, they have requested like and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell button for new notification. So tell to the new recipe, give me Allah Hafiz and enjoy this special creamy chaat.